Dunster House is a retailer and manufacturer of a number of product lines. In the main, we are manufacturing and retailing log cabins for various uses. We've also got our line of touring caravans, play equipment for children in the garden, and a line of plastic windows and doors. And because we are dealing nationally with people, our business is done over the phone. We don't have any reps out on the road, never have done. So all communication with people has always been via the telephone. When you're dealing with your own people but on different sites, one, the expense you can rack up of calling internationally or just nationally at various times of the day, and the amount of times we do will be massive. I can tell you that I know we're saving about £2.5 on line rental a year. All our depots now are just an internal phone call away. You know, it's just like they might be 150 miles away from us here, but I don't have to pay for that 150 mile away phone call anymore. It's just like they're in the office at the end of the corridor. There's a nice, healthy reduction in our costs now without having to pay for a fixed sort of line as such.
The main benefits of the Cisco small business phone system to Dunster House is the ability to link their remote sites together and act as one system. It's substantially improved their network as well. Dunster House had an old legacy PBX system based on RSDN 30, running basically traditional old-fashioned handsets. They were at the point where they needed to expand into a multi-site system. So the best way of doing this was to introduce a Cisco phone system where they could deploy it to all their remote sites. New technologies such as voice over IP have helped bring down the cost of the actual calls. Dunster House in their network cabinet have a Cisco UC 560 system. This system allows up to 104 users. It's connected to a Cisco core switch, which provides a linkage to all the other Cisco ESW power over Ethernet switches, which power the actual phones on the users' desks. In the main switchboard, the calls are answered by individual users and are routed to call groups that the individual departments will answer. Having Cisco phones with multi-buttons and display screens on the phone allow the actual call to be displayed to the end user with the actual subject of the call. In the sales department, Dunster House use a feature called Extension Mobility, which allows their users to hot desk between phones, taking their extension number with them to any desk.
In the past, with the old fixed lines, obviously you can only have so many calls coming in at a time. With this type of system, you can have there's another call coming in, you can see it on the screen and all that kind of business. So you can actually, I need to take this other call. If you don't take those calls, there's money lost, there's opportunities lost. We just want the customer to be answered.